Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will introduce the design requirements for stairs to everyone. The design requirements for stairs mainly include the following 5 aspects. The first is basic functional requirements. The second is structural requirements. The third is fire prevention requirements. And the fourth is accessibility requirements. And the requirements for aesthetic construction. The main design contents of stairs include the following aspects. First, step size design. Second, platform scale design. And third, stair step scale design. The design of stairwells, railings, handrails, as well as the design of clearance. Below, I will introduce the size design of stairs to everyone. The first, step size. The step size includes step width and step height, and its ratio is the slope of the stair. According to empirical formulas, twice the step height plus step width equals 600 to 620 millimeters, or step height plus step width equals 450 millimeters, which is the most economical. In order to make people walk comfortably and conveniently, the size of the steps should be coordinated with the size of their stride. When designing the size of the steps, due to the limited depth of the stairs, when the step width is small, the method of extending or tilting the step surface can be used to increase the step width. Generally, the size of the protruding edge or tread hole is about 20 to 25 millimeters. The second is the platform scale. The width of the middle platform should be greater than or equal to the width of the stair, while the width of the interlayer platform is related to the form of the stair. Platform is a horizontal surface for people to adjust fatigue and change direction when going up and down stairs, so it is also known as a ramp or rest platform. Platform is divided into 1. Floor platform. Platform with consistent floor elevation. 2. The middle platform is a platform located the platform between the upper and lower flights of stairs. For parallel and zigzag shapes, run more stairs. The width of the platform shall not be less than the width of the staircase, not less than 1.2 meters, and the width of the scissor staircase platform shall not be less than 1.3 meters. Permanent buildings should also ensure that the scaffolding can turn at the platform, and the platform width should not be less than 2 meters. Third, scale of the stage. The scale of the staircase includes the width and length of the stair, where the width b of the staircase is equal to half of the width. Subtract the width of the stairwell from the staircase section. The length of the stair step is equal to the remaining number of steps in -1. For a single stair step, the scale of a staircase is divided into staircase width and staircase length. The width of a staircase section refers to the horizontal distance between the center line of the open handrail side and the opposite wall, or between the center lines of the wall-mounted handrails on either side. The length of a stair refers to the horizontal projection length of a stair, which is the width of the staircase multiplied by n-1, where n is the number of steps. Stairwell railing handrail. The ladder shaft is the gap between two staircases. The width of the ladder shaft in public buildings is greater than or equal to 150 millimeters. Residential primary school children's institutions. The width of the ladder shaft is less than 200 millimeters. Railings and handrails are maintenance components of stairs. The height of indoor handrails should be greater than or equal to 900 millimeters. The length of horizontal handrails should be greater than 500 millimeters. And the height of indoor and outdoor handrails should be greater than or equal to 1050 millimeters. When children use stairs, handrails should be added at a height of 500 to 600 millimeters. And the distance between vertical bar keys should be less than or equal to 110 millimeters. The width of the staircase. The width of the stairwell refers to the gap formed between staircase sections, which extends from the top floor to the bottom floor. Its width is usually 600 to 200 millimeters. If it is greater than 110 millimeters, then child-proof climbing prevention measures should be implemented. The height of the railing should be measured vertically, from the front line of the step to the top surface of the railing, and should not be less than 0.6 meters. Stairs for children should be equipped with handrails at a height of 500 to 600 millimeters. When the horizontal length of the stair railing is greater than 0.5 meters, the handrail height should be greater than 1.05 meters. The open spaces of outdoor staircases, due to their proximity to open areas, also require additional protective measures. When the height above ground is less than 24 meters, the railing height is greater than 1.05 meters. When the altitude is greater than 24 meters, the height of the railing should be greater than 1.1 meters. Clearance height of stairs. The clearance height of stairs includes the platform clearance height and the flight clearance height. The clearance height of the platform should be greater than 2 meters, and the clearance height of the stair should be greater than 2.2 meters. The clearance height of stairs includes the clearance height of the stair section and the clear height of the platform. The clearance height of the stair is calculated based on the vertical clear height from the leading edge of the step to the peak. This clearance height ensures that people are not affected when walking or carrying items, generally not less than 220 millimeters. The clear height of the stair landing is the vertical height from the lower edge of the platform structure to the pedestrian walkway, which should not be less than 2000 millimeters. The leading edge of the starting and ending steps of the stair and the outer edge of the protrusion should not be less than 300 millimeters. The above has talked about some of the design contents of stairs. Below, we will summarize the design steps of stairs, which are divided into 7 major steps. Namely, 1. Determine the slope, step height, and step width of the stair. 2. Determine the number of steps per layer. 3. Determine the width of stairwell and stair flight. 4. Determine width of platform. 5. Determine the horizontal projection length of the stair flight. 6. Ensure compliance with the required net story height for the stairs. 7. Perform dimensional verification. The above are the overall steps of stair design. Thank you.